This is more than just a pink box. It's a symbol that stands for empowerment and unlimited possibilities, freedom and flexibility, sisterhood and celebration. It is a key that can help unlock your full potential and discover a greater purpose. And inside every pink box is a new story just waiting to be told.
I said yes to 31 because it allows me to be present as a mom in my children's lives. And not only me, but I get to witness so many women from my team be present in their children's lives.
It allows me to set my own schedule because I know I don't belong in a cubicle. When I was working at a bank operations center, I wanted to be social with my coworkers, which didn't really work in cubicle land. Now with 31, I get to have fun, meet new people, and just be me on my schedule.
It's given me a chance to reconnect with women and have a purpose, all while contributing to my family's income.
It's given me a better future. It doesn't matter if you have a doctorate degree or if you didn't finish high school. 31 provides the same opportunity for everyone.
Saying yes allowed our family to save to take our boys to Disney World, as well as push me outside my comfort zone and grow as a person.
It's given me extra income and more time with my kids. I want them to know that their mama is a successful business owner who tries to empower other women and help them reach their full potential.
Almost every single 31 consultant has started her journey with a pink box just like this, filled with new products and business supplies to help her get her new business off to an amazing start. But from there, every pink box has a different story to share. Stories of lifelong friendships being made, of families taking dream vacations together, of wishes coming true. What story will your pink box tell? Let's find out together.